Welcome. In front of me is an Alcatel 3C, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode. To get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen and swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. Now you're looking for the power saving toggle. I have one right here, extreme mode. This is one of the power saving modes, and I believe there should be another one. Let's see if we can find it. No, actually it looks like this is the only one, so you can tap on it. Extreme mode, only callings, SMS and clock functions are accessible. Yeah, that is pretty extreme. So you can select turn on right here. It gives you this red outlines, and those are all the options. Now one of them is way of exiting this mode, so you can click right here to turn off the power saving mode. So there we go. Now with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.